Hi everyone, in this video I will show you which windows you have on your PC or laptop, and if you have 32 or 64 bits of Windows 10 or lower. So you go firstly to, it's very easy, simple, you go to search area here and type system, and then click on enter. Now here all the information about your window shows is 64-bit operating system. So system type 64, and some they have 32 operating system. And regarding Windows specifications, Windows 10 Home, the edition. Windows 10 Home installed on 10th of September 2020. This is how to check your Windows version and type. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.